Hi guys, hopefully you will be doing well. Welcome to my channel Lexinues Tips Tech. So it's requested to you kindly like and subscribe my channel Lexinues Tips Tech. So guys, today we will discuss about how to install Windows 10 on NVMe SSD drives. Have learned it's no longer a thing to install Windows on an NVMe SSD drive anymore, as we have outlined two of the most helpful methods for you. You can use the SSD cloning software to easily migrate Windows to a new SSD without installing it, or spend some time to clean install Windows on NVMe drive with the help of portable installation media. Drives are becoming more and more popular, and for good reason. There is offer like that offer much higher speeds than traditional SATA drives. They are more power efficient too. If you are looking to upgrade your computer's storage drive, you might be wondering if you can install Windows 11 on an NVMe SSD drive. The answer is yes. Here are two methods you can use to get Windows up and running on your new SSD drive. Here are the basic requirements for you to notice to be able to install Windows 11 operating system on an NVMe drive. To be able to install Windows on a SSD drive, you need to have a computer that supports the NVMe standard and meets the minimum system requirements of Windows 11. You also need format to drive using NTFS file system to make the drive recognizable once connected to your computer. It's a new drive to initialize SSD to GPT instead. It's no longer a thing to install Windows 11 on an NVMe SSD drive anymore, as we have outlined two of the most helpful methods for you. You can use the SSD cloning software to easily migrate Windows to new without installing it, or spend some time to cleaning install Windows drive with the help of bootable installation media. Both methods require to connect the new drive to your Windows device to get the job done. Let's find out how to connect this type of SSD then. Method: how to clone Windows without installing from scratch. When you want to install Windows on a new SSD, you may need to clone your current system to the SSD for better performance. For example, you want to upgrade your current device to a faster NVMe SSD. You have an old SSD that's running out of space and want to upgrade to larger SSD. You want to replace a boot drive without reinstalling Windows or moving files and programs. No matter what your reasons are, you can use the disk cloning method. Install Windows on SSD, but with tool you should use for the job is as Todo. Backup is one of the most reliable SSD to SSD cloning software that can help you clone your current system to NVMe SSD without any data loss. To be specific, is Todo. Backup is comprehensive backup and clone tool for both users. Now, how to connect NVMe SSD to your PC and laptop. So guys, it's a very important topic, and it's going to be very useful and productive for all of you. So please like and subscribe my channel. For desktop PC connection, here is a guideline for you to correctly connect SSD to a desktop PC. Connecting an NVMe SSD to desktop PC is simple process. First, identify an available PCI Express slot on your motherboard. Next, insert the NVMe SSD into the slot and secure it with screws. Finally, connect a SATA cable for the SSD to an available SATA port on your motherboard. That's it. Your NVMe SSD is now ready to use. So guys, it's requested to you kindly like and subscribe my Lexinues Tips Tech channel. so that you can get notified my upcoming videos.